Hey, you guys, we are in Sam's Clubs. I'm going to be showing you how to save your money on your hygiene products as well as some groceries and all those good little tips and tricks that I have to share with you guys. So if that is something that interests you, keep on watching. There will never be another Michael Jackson. I had to get back on here, you guys. Don't want to get copyrighted, but I always go through and check different aisles and things because I have a membership at Sam's Club, and believe it or not, I hardly ever go unless I'm going to really stock up on some things. But like if you're looking for batteries, they have a big pile of batteries here. If you need batteries, I think it was a big old thing. I don't know how many batteries. I believe about 50 batteries in here. So that was like at the very beginning, and then like gift cards and all that tiny little stuff. But I'm gonna let the music play because I want to show you specific things, so just jam along with me. Over in this section, I noticed they had like the printers and the big pile stocks of paper, on-the-go charger. I do believe that I do need one of these, y'all. I'm still working on my equipment here. I do know I need to get another ring light because the one I have is on its last leg. But they have like just a lot of little nicks and knacks over in this section. So I was just browsing around to see what electronics they had. They had nice sized TVs. I mean, my God, how big of a TV do you need? But they have all kinds here, you guys. Like I said, I usually come to Sam's Club maybe once a month. Not necessarily my go-to place, but like I said, you can find a lot of great deals at Sam's Club, especially if you have kids like I do. I tend to really stock up in the snack aisle. And sometimes they have little I was having a hard time in this section because I couldn't get my cart. I couldn't get my cart between the boxes and things. But like I said, they had like different types of printers, big boxes of printing paper if you need that. They have just different sizes, and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too expensive up there out of the ordinary. Like I said, I don't think I'll ever get an all-in-one printer though again because I have too much trouble with it. If one little thing starts to mess up on it, the whole printer messes up. So I think I'm just gonna go back to just a single printer. Comment below what printer I should get because I always get the HP printer or the Canva or something. But yeah, here is the snack section, you guys. Now, if y'all are a gum chewer like myself, me and my kids, we love gum because I'm a high advocate of having fresh breath. So this is a good idea to stock up on bundles of gum. But if you got kids, make sure you hide it because they will eat it for candy. So comment below if y'all remember these Fireballs. When in my day, in my childhood, they were like a nickel. My mom used to meet me at school and give me like 20 cents. You couldn't tell me nothing. I still got the scar on my knee from running to my mom, giving her a hug for bringing me 20 cents so I can get me 4 Fireballs. Oh yeah, but like I said, they have tons and tons of snacks that you guys can choose from. And like I said, the reason why I stopped stacking up so much bundle is because you get so much of one thing, you get burnt out on it. But when they have like a variety pack of something, I usually try to get those. Now, when my kids were younger, these were my kids' favorite, and I would buy like 3 or 4 boxes of those because that was like one of their favorite little snacks. But since they're older, they don't really like them as much anymore. I guess I burnt them out. But you can stock up on different snacks, candies, all sorts of things like that. They have your healthy section, they have your not so healthy section. But like I said, this Skinny Pop kettle popcorn is really good. For $10 and you get 16 bags, that's pretty good. Like I said, this one is pop chips and they have 30 bags, so it just all depends on what your liking is. But like I said, these right here, I can't buy them no more because they not really good if you keep going in there grabbing a bag every day. But when you want to snack up on your snacks and you have kids, this is a good alternative to keep you from going back and forth to the store. Because snacks in this summertime, snacks ain't gonna last too much in no time. So this would be a great idea to stock up on bundles. And these bags was huge for $3 and something, because it's $3 and something in Walmart and they don't be that big. But yeah, so like I'm saying, you can stock up on things, and that way you won't have to just keep running to the store. Because if you're like me, in my house, snacks don't really last that long in my house. So buying these kind of saves a little bit. It just all depends on what you want. But like I said, and coming up to getting ready for school back, I know school just got out, but before you know it, school will be back in. And if you pack your kids lunch, these variety bags are a wonder. 30 in a box, that's pretty good, because I think it's only like 15 or 20 that comes in a box in Walmart. So yeah, like I said, you just have to be patient and look around. But this is where I get a few snacks and things from when I'm out and about. It kind of helps too, and then over the long run, it does save over the long run. You pay a little bit up front, but like I said, depends on what you like. You will be able to save in the long run, because you won't have to keep going backwards and forth to the store. If you want popcorn night, they have big boxes of popcorn. Just about everything you can think of, Sam Club does have it. And another thing I like about Sam Club, you can get gas there too, just kind of like Kroger's, and you get points and stuff. But at Sam's Clubs, if you're already shopping, you can go ahead and fill up too. It's going to ask you to put your Sam's card in as well. Like I said, now when you go in Sam Club, they make you show your card. Back in the day when I first started with Sam's Club, you didn't have to show your card. You just, because I used to use my my mentor's card, they never would check it, and I just go in there and shop like I wanted. And then too, Sam Club is a great way to stock up on all of your seasonings and stuff. And I was thinking about it when I was in there. I was like, for those who love to cook, and especially if you like have a mukbang channel, I know I watch B Love's channel, and this is where she stock up on all her seasonings and seafoods and all of that. And then too, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I just had a seafood boil I fixed at home on Monday. So yeah, like I said, you can stock up on these seasonings, and for $4 for that big size of a seasoning, that saves you a ton of money, you guys. So yeah, like I said, you can't go wrong with seasonings. And like I said, I'm just showing you that for viewing purposes, but my mind is nowhere near on no diapers or nothing. Your girl is done with babies over here. The only thing I use is baby wipes. Now I'll stock up on that, but all that other stuff, I'll leave that for some of you guys. All right, you guys, so we are back over in the hygiene section, and they have like these 4-packs of deodorant. And this is one of my favorites. Now they can keep that spray part, but this is a great way to stock up on deodorant. But the only reason why I don't stock up on deodorant is because for one, I switch up deodorants, or sometimes I don't like the smell of the same deodorant, but it's in the same family. I use the same deodorant, but sometimes it's just, I don't know, it's just when you wear deodorant for so long, sometimes, well, I don't know who that was, but yeah, sometimes when you wear deodorant for so long, your body get immune to it, and it just seems like it doesn't work as much. But that's just me, my little 2 cents. But I don't stock up on deodorant unless in this Dove cucumber and the cucumber scent, then I'll stock up on that. But other than that, I don't stock up like that on my deodorants. Now, when it comes down to soap, now that I will do, and they have a little variety of things like your shaving razors and all of that. they have like a good little amount of what you can choose from. Like, I'm losing my thought here, but like this, I thought this was a really good deal. Like Dove, it was like 16 bars for like $10 or what? Yeah, $15. So yeah, that would last us a long time, because Dove, it's just me and my baby girl that use Dove, but my son, he uses Irish Spring soap, or yeah. So yeah, like they have like just a lot of things. And like I said, I was in this store for about 2 hours. I looked up and I was in here for 2 hours, and I came in here to look. But it's just so fun for me when I look for stuff that I love, especially hygiene stuff, cooking stuff. That gets me happy. And like I said, your Dove Sensitive 16 bars, you won't have to keep going to Dollar Tree and all those other good stores every 2 weeks or so, because you got everything you need. Now, this is like my favorite scent. I pair that up with my Cucumber Dove deodorant, and it works wonders, you guys. But yeah, like I said, when you come into Sam's Club, your membership really pays for itself, because like this right here, this bundle, three body washes, that's not bad. And you can try out all the scents, so that wasn't too bad at all. So I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm just gonna let you guys browse with me, but giving you some ideas of what you can do, so that you won't have to keep going to the store every other week or so, when you could just do it all right here. Even in the pads and tampons aisle, they had a big bundle there, 2 times larger. So, like I said, I'm always going to point y'all to Irish Spring, because, honey, you can't go wrong with Irish Spring. And then the body wash, they had the twin pack body wash. And this one, it has the pump. That's the one I want to get, because the one I got, you got to open it up and squeeze it and all that. And right now, I can't be really picking up a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, this is where you can really stock up, you guys. If you need medicine, they got vitamins. I mean, y'all, they got everything. And if y'all made it this far in the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video. It lets YouTube know that you guys like these types of videos. So give me a like, you guys. It doesn't cost you anything to like the video. Like I said, share this. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to leave a link to some other Shop With Me videos at the end of this video. So if you like this video, you will like my other Shop With Me videos as well. Like I said, they have turmeric. I'm going to ask my doctor which ones are best for me, because like I said, I want to, at this age, I really want to take, continue to take good care of myself. Collagen, yeah, I see, this is the kind of stuff that I need. So, but I'm gonna wait till I talk to my doctor first. I'm not just gonna be going grabbing stuff, because don't want to mess up nothing. I think this year's been scary enough. But yeah, they have all types of vitamins and just little things that you need for you and your family. Like I said, I'm gonna switch over to the men's vitamins for my son, because he's a teenager now, so the little kitty vitamins don't work for him or my daughter anymore. So past that stage. So yeah, just compare the prices and get what works for you. But like I said, I love going to different stores to see what all they got and see what types of deals they have. So yeah, just keep browsing. And like I said, make sure you follow me over on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed or following me there as well. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And like I said, today is the last day to enter the giveaway. So if you have not already entered, today is the last day before I come on to pick a winner, which I'm so excited to get this box out of my house, because I keep adding stuff in it and it's going to be so heavy when I get ready to go ship it. But anyhow, I love you guys. I hope you guys continue to watch the video and stay tuned. Now this is where I was over here with the seafoods and all of that good stuff. So like I said, I was trying to get over there, but it just seemed like today was a Saturday anyway, so I should have known. There was so many people in there, and I didn't want to just be talking, because I'd rather do voiceovers, because it just makes me feel weird when people are watching me with a big, with my little tripod in my phone. So yeah, like I said, this is where you can stock up on your pizzas if you want to have movie night, pizza night, the seafood and all of that. If you want like bags of fruits for your smoothies, they have big large bags of smoothies and things over there. I didn't want to keep going because somebody was coming, so that's how that went.